to display to us what you can do with an airplane, even though your engines may not be running. All right, here he comes, David, down here. The sound of the engine is going to get quiet. Let you listen.
Jet radio check. Mini-jet Airbus, loud and clear. Sound clear also. Is that jet gray now? Yes, it is. The bike going into the taxi, Papa 5, hold short 36. Papa 5, hold short 36, major.
I'm taking liberty. I hope that David and Martha don't mind, but I know that Bob Hoover is riding with David
Wind 360 and 7 knots, clear to land, that's my 36.
conversation with Bob and yours, Cass and Sam.
Daddy, I forgot to use shutting both engines down and watching the air before leaving behind. I never got used to it. It was always up there, ill-fitting.
Well, I'm sure David might be doing the same thing. We're always told, get back to the airport. Oh, they didn't shut it down. All quiet. 4-point position. And total execution. Checklist complete. Speed correct. Gear flaps down. Checking on speed, checking on direction. Seeing it here at Oshkosh
7 knots.
for the first time since Bob retired the end. His book, Forever Flying, is worthy of a gift. You can find it on all the outlets. As I mentioned, I read it every winter. Because not only is it about flying, it's also about living absolute life.
Are you coming into correction?
Still coming. And Bob Hoover, show after show,